Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy, Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off, we are doing some little tours today. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going on some tours. What is this area over here we are at now? Wow, that is beautiful. Look at all that. Hey, excuse me, what is the name of this place?
Yes, please.
You know the name of this place?
This is in area the name the Bali Kulkul.
Oh, Bali Kuku. And these are Bali style houses?
This is the traditional house.
Oh,
yeah.
This is a tradition from like 100 years ago, or?
This is the for Bali Dangin, for the ceremony.
Oh, for the ceremony.
For the church. Yeah.
Oh, I like those outdoor kitchens. It's really nice. Wow, this is beautiful. You gotta bend down and take a photo with her, huh? We're at the restaurant. And then this is where you sit down. These are the places to sit.
Yeah.
Oh wow, you just say Indian style. I like that. That's very different.
Like the Balinese one.
Oh, like the Balinese house? Come on, ladies, we got the performance over here.
Yeah, but ready for home.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. You take it?
Get one. Speak English.
English. Yes.
Okay. Where are you from? America. Oh, good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Cool beans, we just finished this performance. Very, very, very amazing performance. Very interesting performance. You experience a lot of things when you travel, and I didn't video the whole thing, but yeah, it was a very interesting performance. Right now we are getting ready to, I don't know what we're getting ready to do. I think we're gonna go to the rice fields next. If not the rice fields, maybe we might get food or something. Y'all over here posing? That's what's up, that's what's up, that's what's up. I'm trying to figure out what type of fruit. Are these coconuts? This is a coconut tree. They got some flowers for y'all. You throw these on the ground?
I'm sorry. This one.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. Done more fields over here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so tropical. I want this. I need this in my life. Gotta go catch up with my ladies. They're trying to meet them Indonesian guy. Some big goldfish down there. This little lady spilling her water out. I guess she's a mermaid or something. So guys, what's the best country around here to visit? Bali! Bali, Indonesia. Come visit, yo. Have a good one. Bye-bye. So we are back in the car now. Where we headed to now? Where are you taking us now?
Sorry?
Where are we going to?
We're going to see the swing now.
Oh, the swings. This is
AKA
Nice.
zip line.
zip line.
Swing.
I was thinking of a big swing myself, but let's go to the zip line. Let's zip that line. We'll see how some silver is made, huh? Oh wow. This one is like non-polished and this one's like super polished. Wow.
Before finish. Before finish, right? Finish already we got. Okay.
Whoa. Oh, so that's silver right there? That's a piece? Wow.
May I explain a little about the processing? Complete. Start from this one first. This is the pure silver, 100% silver. But 100% too soft jewelry must put some cover. Make the silver flat. From the flat we cutting around until the finish. We make the silver wire. We make the size for the wire. Put from big hole until the small hole. We pull. We cut this wire. From wire we cutting small again. We bar. Automatic the small about silver. And typical style now wire.
So you say you mix the silver with
Cover.
to make it stronger?
102 soft. Must put some cover.
Oh. These are. How long does it take to make one of these?
Around 3 days for one set with the earring.
3 days. Huh. For one earring?
One set.
Oh, one set. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of hard work that goes into this. Oh, we got a jewelry store up in here. Oh, they trying to get some money out of us now. Yes, yes, yes. We are leaving the jewelry factory now. The ladies, they had to get a whole bunch of jewelry for themselves, but y'all know me, I'm good to go.
Good to go.
All right, we are at the next adventure now. We are, I don't know exactly if this is a zip line or if this is a swing. I believe there could be some language barrier here. We will just have to find out for ourselves. Where am I? This is another very, very, very tropical place here. You say this is a cinnamon tree?
Yes, this is a cinnamon tree.
I've never seen a cinnamon. What does it smell like?
Smell like cinnamon.
It smells like cinnamon, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it's definitely cinnamon. I've never seen a cinnamon.
We take a skin and then we make a tea, cinnamon tea.
Cinnamon tea.
Cinnamon tea.
So, never seen one.
Smells really good.
This animal is luwak.
What was that? Wait.
Yes, it's luwak.
There's
Yes.
an animal in there?
Yes.
Oh, there it is. He's back there just chilling,
Luwak
man.
active in the night.
Oh, active at
And
night.
then the daytime there is the sleeping and lazy because there is this boring.
It looks like this is the swing. And this is an actual swing. This is not a zip line, but it's a swing. Y'all want to swing?
Yes, we're gonna be
swinging.
so
You can go swing.
Yes.
It's luwak.
This is poop from the animal.
This is animal poop?
Yes.
yes.
And that's how they make the coffee.
The first we open one
this
by
is
one
not
like
vegan.
this.
No, it's not big.
We open one by one by.
Oh, you open one by one. And then what? You eat that?
Until no eat.
Okay.
Oh, you don't eat.
Until here.
It's warm.
Yes, this is ginger, turmeric, the ginger, star anise.
Stone ass?
Yes, white pepper, black pepper.
Oh, wow, this is white pepper.
Yes.
I'm not
this
used
is
to
a
seeing
black
it this
pepper,
way.
White pepper and black pepper.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
This is a mango skin. We make a tea.
Tea, mango skin.
Yes, mango skin.
skin.
Oh.
And then there is a cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Ooh, that's that cinnamon.
And then there is the Bali chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yes, Bali chocolate.
That's chocolate.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, one more.
Wow, what is going on over here? This is the swing. That is beautiful. I bet that's
Fun.
I bet that's a nice view. Is it fun?
Yes, exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just from the next, huh? From here. 1.
People.
All right. This looks like it goes far down over here. Ooh, yes it does. Whoa. Whoa. That is for sure a river down there. Oh, this is the best view. Oh, girl, you really loud. You must loving it.
Yes, I do. Oh my God.
Sounds like she's having the time of her life. Yeah, what's up? Where you from, man?
Mình đi pha bộ đào cái bộ
You are? He trying to get him a photo. He like, come on. He's two black folks in here. Come on. Come on, right here. Yes. Chocolate, get you some love, man.
Can you get one on my phone?
Look out, man.
Come on, let's do another one.
They got us, yeah.
No.
Oh, look, he's talking about get on this side.
Oh, there they go.
Thank you.
Đừng có tiền quá vấn đề.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Oh, thanks. Bye-bye. Why was that so fun? Like, I don't get it. That was just so fun. I don't know why. Like, bikes. A bike made in Bali?
Yeah, made in Bali.
Oh, that's a real bike.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Let me see if they want one. Hey, you want a bike? Yeah, let me get me one of these. Get one of these bikes from this guy. Yeah, I got a phone call I gotta take over here. Let me get out of here. Where's our driver? And you getting wrapped up with a dress, girl. So it looks like we have to put one of these things on to go inside.
I want this one.
You want that one? Oh, give it to her then. Cover them legs up. You got one for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I like this. This is fresh. Now we got our little dresses on here. And we are getting ready to go in the temple. The temple was just right over here, and let's go see what this is all about. Wow, look at this place. Lots and lots of culture. Sorry, I can't even talk. I just looked over inside.
So dumb. Girl.
Okay, next thing on the list, we have, check this out. It's a waterfall. There's people swimming down there. So we're getting ready to go down here, and I've just noticed some unusual things. Mother Earth will cry if you throw garbage carelessly, so we won't throw any garbage down there. We got a long way to go to get down here to this waterfall. That's the waterfall over there. And let's figure out how to get that way. Definitely sounds like a waterfall here. Look at all the stones. Like people have stacked them up on top of each other like that. I mean, obviously the water didn't do that. What, y'all want to get in the water and play?
I don't know about getting in.
Well, I mean, not in this water, but in that looked like some slush, right?
Should have definitely wore tennis shoes.
Man, what's going on over here? Oh, it's hot. I had to come out the shirt. This is like super slick. Almost at the waterfall. I think I'm gonna get in the water, y'all. Oh, word. Not a bad place to vlog at right here, right? Not a bad spot to be. Man, this is for real right here. I'm glad I brought some shoes. We down here in the water, yo. He said it's good. He said it's good. Is it good? You like it? Fine? Where is it? Oh, okay. So we have made it all the way over here on the other side. We started off, oh, I better not fall. Oops. We started off way up there, And then we went down this way and went down this way. I was gonna go swimming, but once I got really close, I was like, nah, I'd rather swim in a swimming pool. I only see one person in the water right there. The water is just crazy. Like, I don't want to go swimming in that. Wow. Is that the police? Oh, wow. We got a funeral.
No, wedding.
My bad. I'm
Just married.
Oh, these people just got married. Where? Yeah.
No, in the front. Police escort.